Hey everyone, Ivan here. Today I am bringing you a quick overview of three major technology trends that are transforming our digital landscape in 2025. I have been tracking these developments closely on trends.com and wanted to share the most significant shifts happening right now. These aren't just incremental improvements, they're paradigm shifts that are changing how we interact with technology and how businesses operate. Let's dive in. The first major trend we're seeing is AI systems becoming truly multimodal. Until recently, AI systems were specialized. Text models handle language, vision models process images, and speech models worked with audio. But in 2025, the most powerful AI systems can seamlessly process and generate across multiple modalities at once. They can understand the content of an image, read text within it, respond to voice commands about it, and generate entirely new content based on all of these inputs together. What makes this revolutionary is how it is changing interfaces. Instead of adapting to how computers work, computers are adapting to how humans naturally communicate through a mixture of speech, visual, text, and gestures. For businesses, this means completely reimagining customer interactions. For developers, it requires thinking beyond traditional input methods. And for users, it means more intuitive and powerful tools that require less technical knowledge to operate effectively. The second trend is decentralized finance, or DeFi, finally crossing into mainstream adoption after years of development. What's changed in 2025 is that traditional financial institutions are now integrating DeFi principles and technology rather than competing against them. Major banks are offering cryptocurrency services, smart contract capabilities, and decentralized lending options alongside traditional products. This shift is particularly interesting through an Austrian economics lens. We're seeing market-driven monetary innovation happening in real time, with competition between different approaches to storing and transferring value. For consumers, this means more financial options, potentially lower fees, and 24/7 access to financial services without traditional banking hours or limitations. For businesses, it opens new payment channels and funding mechanisms that weren't possible before. The third major trend is the edge computing revolution. While cloud computing centralizes processing in massive data centers, edge computing pushes computational power back towards the endpoints, your devices and local infrastructure. This shift is being driven by several factors: explosive growth in IoT devices, increasing privacy concerns, and the need for real-time processing with minimal latency. For developers like me, this means rethinking application architecture. Instead of building solely for the cloud, we're now designing systems that distribute intelligence across the network, with different components running where they make the most sense. For users, the benefits are significant: more responsive applications, better privacy as data stays local, and services that continue working even when the internet connectivity is limited or unavailable. These three methods, multimodal, AI, mainstream DeFi, and edge computing, aren't happening in isolation. They're converging to create a more decentralized, responsive, and human-centered technology ecosystem. If you want to dive deeper into any of these trends, you can check it out our webpage, trends.com. Tomorrow, we'll continue our Computer Science Fundamentals series with a deeper look at how hardware and software work together. Until then, I'm curious. Which of these trends do you think will have the biggest impact on your life? Let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. This is Ivan helping you navigate the technologies shaping our world. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.